All right, y'all. So the biggest thing I'm gonna say for today, we didn't take too many trades, but as Euro USD does continue to fall, I might get into something if it comes down to that EMA, as y'all can see. But it's not about the volume of trades that you're taking. It's really truly about the quality of amount of trades that you're taking. So you can take 20 trades, you can take 30 trades. How many of those trades was really your strategy, all of your confirmations, everything you've back tested, everything you've researched? It's probably not as many as you would like. And that happens when you're emotional trading, when you're revenge trading, when you're trying to hit a certain number, when you got things you're trying to specifically trade for rather than just trading your strategy, trading what works for you. We going for quality of trades now. Um, the unit size may not be what we want it to be right now, but at the end of the day, we know we can change that. We can change that. You feel me? That as we continue to grow and as we continue to add more money to the account, the unit size will go up. So we slow grinding this account right now to make sure that every single trade we do take is a quality trade. Quality over quantity when you trading, guys. I promise you it's going to make the biggest difference for you.
All right, so y'all know the vibes. We back on the charts. It's Tuesday, July the 14th. It's 7 o'clock, a little bit after the open today. As you can see, we get an hourly market update on the Discord signals right there. It's been 23 signals in the New York London overlap. We're looking to take profits here. We went ahead and placed a sell at a New York high so far. The high of the week, really, since it's Tuesday. It looks like, if you ask me, all CAD and GJ were pretty much selling for the moment at the highs of the week. The zones were holding firm, so we felt comfortable in being able to sell. I had a few pending trades on GJ, so I went ahead and canceled those just to focus in and lock in on our Euro USD pair. As y'all can see, we at the $7 unit size, which more so it's about the percentage. We looking to continue to stay about anywhere from 5 to 12% of the account. But right now we sticking at 5%, being that the account is a smaller account. And that just gives you leverage if anything goes wrong, if you happen to lose a trade. As y'all see, we take profits right here. It's pretty it's consolidating up there at the high, so we felt comfortable in placing that sell. But yeah, with a lower account size, having your unit size be a little bit less allows for more mistakes if they do occur. And my bad about this one. I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't, so we hopping in straight to this one. This was a 5-minute trade. We saw it looked like, honestly, a bearish engulf potentially forming, but we went ahead and looked back at previous market data and seeing that it held that bottom low right there. So I felt comfortable that even though we was getting a red doji, a bearish doji, that overall the trend was headed upwards. And if you look at the stochastic, it's continuing to push upwards with that green small trend that it had. So we got another doji as the second candle opens, fighting back upwards for what we need within the trade. I would say that the biggest thing is going to be making sure that all your confluences are hit, all of your confirmations are hit, having faith and trusting in the trade that you placing, man. As you can see, I went for a 5-minute buy here instead of 1 minute, which we normally do. As we usually do, go for a 5-minute, or we usually go for 1 minute trades as we're looking at it on the 1 minute charts. So this is pretty much what 3 candles into this trade, but I placed the trade for a 5-minute trade, so therefore, or a 5-minute expiration time. So therefore we have some leverage, and now you see it starting to boom towards the upside. Oh yeah, we getting a whole lot of volatility upwards. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Just have faith and confidence in what you're doing, and it's gonna work out, bro. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose as it falls back a little bit. We getting them uppercuts from heaven going. I know y'all can't see them, but we for sure giving them those. No question. Look like we took profit on both of those trades. So man, there's no complaining, no complaints here from us. That's what we looking for, overall downtrend. But as you can see, she trying to pull back. She trying to do a little pullback, trying to do a little 1-2s, but we ain't worried about her. We know it's gonna head back upwards. We got faith in the trade. Crazy upwards push, so we believe it's gonna continue that way as we take profits on the first trade and the second trade. But yeah, y'all see, man, that's what 3 for 3 on the day. So one thing we can't do is can't complain. And look at this, y'all. This is extra crazy right here. So this is July 14th, as you see odd cat pushing down. Now look at the 15th, which is this odd cat doing the same exact thing around the same exact time. So that was a major confirmation for me, remembering that I seen that, as well as this is a bread and butter setup for us. We got a major bearish trend, or a major bearish reversal after a overall bullish upward trend. But you can see the bullish engulfings continuing to form within that bullish trend upwards. We got price coming down to our 200 EMA. It's broken outside of the Keltner. So honestly, you want to be very careful here because it is downtrending in a major way, but we just staying patient. If it come close to that 200 EMA, y'all already know what we finna do. So let's wait and see. She falling, she rolling. Booyah. I know what time it is. We got action. Especially look at that long wick at the end of that candle. That is information, as well as look at the signal that just hit. Perfect signal. Stochastic is low, all the way under. We got a Keltner break way outside of the Keltner, plus the wick on that end of that candle. So as y'all can see, the zones are zoning. The signals are signaling. So we went ahead and placed the trade. Now we just waiting to see what happens. We got a little bit extra push, but like I said, the wick is information to let us know that the trend is potentially exhausted and the sellers did as much selling as they could for now. And you see the 200 EMA previously allowed or previously rejected the zone. We got a pretty nice bearish engulfing going into the 200 EMA previously, and then it rejected that. So we was hoping for pretty much the same thing there. So we took profits. Grateful to always take profits. Y'all already know, man. Since we came back, we 8 for 8. Lamar Jack, you know what I'm talking about? We Lamar Jackson on him. See the previous 3 trades in June, but since being back in July, we now 8 for 8 on the month. Haven't missed a trade, but y'all already know the vibes. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. We'll continue the content. Until next time, stack it up. Stay blessed.